Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through the process of setting up and configuring a Dahua IP camera step by step. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, this tutorial will help you get your camera up and running smoothly. For this demonstration, I'll be using a 64-channel Dahua NVR and a 4-megapixel IP camera to provide high-quality surveillance. For this setup, you'll need an IP camera, a post switch, and LAN Ethernet cables. Let's get started. First, connect the post switch to your NVR using an Ethernet cable. This will allow the NVR to communicate with the IP camera through the network. Next, take an Ethernet cable and connect one end to your IP camera and the other end to an available port on the post switch. This will provide both power and network connectivity to the camera. Music. Now, let's move to the NVR screen and start the configuration. Click on the search button, and the system will automatically detect any newly connected cameras. Here, you can see the IP camera that has not been initialized yet. Select the camera and click the Initialize button. A new pop-up window will appear. Select the option to use the camera login password and email information from the device, and then click Next. Now, this part is important. If you're using DHCP, the NVR and IP camera will automatically receive an IP address from your router. However, I highly recommend using a static IP address for the camera to avoid IP address conflicts and make network management easier. Enter a static IP address that matches your network configuration, and then click Next. After entering the static IP address for the camera, click OK. This will update the camera's IP address to the new static IP address you assigned. Next, click the Add button to assign the camera to an NVR channel and complete the integration process. As you can see, the IP camera is now up and running. A green status indicator means that the camera is online and functioning properly, while a red status indicator means that the camera is offline or there is a connection issue. This is my camera, and it is currently displaying a live feed. Right now, it is configured at 4 megapixels, providing high-quality video output. However, if you have limited storage space on your hard drive, I recommend reducing the resolution and bitrate to save storage space and increase your recording duration. Let's see how to adjust the video quality. In the Encode settings, select the camera channel you want to adjust. Under Resolution, you can increase or decrease the resolution according to your requirements. For a good balance between video quality and storage usage, 1080p can be a suitable option. However, if you need more detail for identification or monitoring, you can keep the camera at its native resolution. Next, we have FPS, or frames per second. FPS determines how smoothly your IP camera records and displays video. A higher FPS provides smoother and more fluid motion, which is ideal for capturing fast-moving objects. On the other hand, a lower FPS can help conserve storage space, but the video may appear slightly less smooth. Then we have bitrate. Bitrate is the amount of data processed per second in a video stream, usually measured in megabits per second. A higher bitrate generally provides better video quality, but it requires more storage space and network bandwidth. A lower bitrate helps save storage space and bandwidth, but it may reduce image quality and clarity. And that's it. We've successfully configured the Dahua IP camera and added it to the NVR. Your camera is now online, and you can start monitoring your security footage through the NVR system. If you ever need to make changes, such as adjusting the resolution, FPS, or bitrate settings, you can simply follow the same steps we covered in this video. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more CCTV, networking, and technology tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.